they have refused to see us thus far. They've only referred us to institutions that we have already been at. And then Okahanja is planning to have a demonstration. We are also going to demonstrate against the illegal renewal of a contract without due process. So those are the announcements that we have for now. In respect of the national demonstration that we are planning, we are going to communicate that in due course. And it will be, that demonstration will be in all the regions. If there are other towns who are having issues, for example, I saw that NORAD has decided to do what Windhoek is doing in terms of blocking electricity. If there are fighters there who are fighting for justice in terms of service delivery in the northern towns where NORAD is affecting them and where they are blocking electricity illegally, they must stand up and join us in standing up for those ratepayers in those areas. For example, those political parties don't speak about the investigations that are going on. The CEO does not, he must address the investigations that are going on. Why are the investigations against the appointment of Red Force? And in municipal councils, things are done on resolution. You don't just wake up and decide to take decisions at your house or in your WhatsApp group. So there is no resolution. We have been asking for a resolution for 2 years.